You're still half asleep.
I was dreaming about staying in bed all day while it rains. I'll wash the dishes if you promise not to laugh at my terrible drying skills.
Too late. I've already seen the puddle near your feet. The forest smells so fresh after the rain.
Makes me want to walk slowly enough to hear every drop fall.
Listen, even the forest feels quieter in the rain.
Like it's resting with us for a little while. I saved this chestnut from yesterday.
Then we should share it slowly, Pen. It feels like this rain wants us to stay a while. Your sweater still smells like rain and pine trees.
Then maybe we brought a little piece of the forest home with us.
The soup is starting to smell perfect.
Then I'll better chop faster before I get assigned dish duty again. I think it's softer when you're patient with it.
Just like most things, even us on rainy days.
The air feels cold out there.
That's why this bowl in your hands feels extra nice. You cut the apples so carefully.
I think rainy evenings deserve a little extra kindness. Good thing we still have candles.
I don't mind the lights going out when the rain sounds this peaceful. The rain smells colder tonight.
Then stay close. We still have warm blankets and honey.